talked about flow as being important for peak performance aging. So one of the things that was really interesting, and this emerged out of the research in the field, like I wasn't looking for flow, I was looking into peak performance aging. And over again, you see that older adults who experience feelings of mastery and control live longer, healthier lives. Now, flow has 6 core characteristics. They're phenomenological characteristics in the technical. That big word just means this is how the state makes you feel. So, and there's 6 things that define flow. There's complete concentration on the task at hand. There's a merger of action awareness. Your sense of self-consciousness gets quiet, it diminishes. Time passes strangely, meaning usually you get so sucked into what you're doing that hours go by, right? And it feels like 5 minutes. And the last 2 are really important. Flow produces a sense of control. That's what the peak performance feels like on the inside, right? Oh, I can control things I can't normally control, right? My skis are doing magic things today that they don't normally do, right? And this huge feeling of euphoria, joyousness that comes in flow. So when we humans experience super powerful positive emotions, sense of mastery, sense of control, this euphoria that shows in flow, it amplifies the production of T cells and natural killer cells. T cells are just, they fight disease, right? That's the immune system. Natural killer cells target tumors and other sick cells and senolytic cells. And those are one of the major causes of aging and disease and dying. So some of the stuff that was really, really neat is in this field of neuroimmunology, the link between sort of the mind and the body and the mind and the immune system. And some of the stuff around that in general was all of that stuff. And I could talk for the next hour about all the different mind-body connections and how mind-blowing that is. But that was one category. Another category was learning. So one of the things that's really important to know if you want to stave off cognitive decline, dementia, Alzheimer's, most important thing is lifelong learning. So this is another reason why flow matters so much. Flow amplifies learning, right? Studies run by the military in the United States. Soldiers in flow learn 240 to 500% faster than normal. So that's a really big deal because expertise and wisdom are both, fancy words here, neuroprotective against cognitive decline. What that basically means is expertise and wisdom form these really diverse, diffuse neural networks through the prefrontal cortex, which is the area that's most vulnerable to cognitive decline in Alzheimer's and dementia. And expertise is, think of it as like, skills and facts and skill sets and strategies. And wisdom is like all the emotional intelligence stuff that we learn sort of under the surface. But they're both these really diffuse networks. They're neuroprotective against cognitive decline. And so if you want to stave off Alzheimer's, this is sort of how you do it. So again, flow, which underpins learning and mastery, is super important here.